iOS 26.3 RC is now out, which means a stable update will be here in just a few days. But this is not the next big update from Apple. Once we get the stable iOS 26.3, the beta program for iOS 26.4 will start, which means we will finally be able to see that brand new Siri powered by Google Gemini. In this video, let's see what to expect from the iOS 26.4 update. The first one is the most obvious, and that is the revamped Siri powered by Google Gemini. Last month, Apple announced that they are finally going to use Google's help to make Siri and Apple Intelligence better on their products. For now, it is confirmed that we are going to get a revamped Siri experience, but we are not sure if this will expand to other things too, like the use of Google Gemini in the Apple Photos app. That part is not clear yet. Hopefully, we will see it soon once the beta program for iOS 26.4 starts. Even if Siri gets better and smarter, that will be a huge win, because right now, AI on Apple devices is lagging around 2 to 3 years behind the competition. Apart from the Siri stuff, we are also going to see a new feature where autofill for credit cards will work for third-party apps. Next, you will be able to create folders within the Freeform app. I do not really use the Freeform app that much, so let me know in the comments if you use it a lot. Then Apple will add a new sports tier in the Apple TV app. Precise location tracking to find AirPods outdoors will also be added. And finally, we are going to see some brand new emojis being introduced in iOS 26.4. Here are a few of the emojis that might show up with the iOS 26.4 update. But I am most excited about the Siri part. This is the thing Apple promised back in 2024 with the iPhone 16, but still, we have not seen any major and useful Apple Intelligence feature yet. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments, and I will catch you in the next one.